The Sprouting Science Camp is designed to engage youth who might not have the opportunity to often experience science, technology, engineering, or math-related activities or camps, and kind of get them to discover and explore the world around them. The mission of Sprouting Science is to involve African Nova Scotian and Black youth in science, technology, engineering, and math-related activities, but specifically to get them involved in exploring the environment around them and introduce them to gardening concepts. It's unique because we go off-site and we go to different communities around the province, to different groups that may need that type of programming or want that type of programming, and we want to encourage youth to join us. Today we are kind of introducing them to worm composting and how that impacts gardening and how it can be used and utilized in gardening. Another thing that we're going to do is kind of show them the garden bed and bring them up. They'll get to put different things into the soil, do a little bit of tilling and everything like that. We're going to do a little bit of painting, just some fun activities for them to add, or some fun crafts for them to add to the garden. And we're also going to discuss the food network, and they're going to put together a food web. So at the beginning of the week, everyone's usually a little bit more shy, timid. By the end of the week, that's not the case. And I think that's largely because of how we have the camp set up. Again, we want to encourage friendships, and a lot of the time that is the case. By the end of the week, there are new friendships and new groups form, and yeah, we encourage it and try to foster it and want to make sure everyone's being social and having a good time. Funding and community support is vital for programs like Sprouting Science because it allows us to expand our outreach. And that's really what it's all about at the end of the day, making sure that we get to engage with as many campers and many kids as possible, get them involved with the programming, get them involved in education and science. Through our partnerships with different communities and community centers, services, businesses, we are able to provide them with even more resources, snacks, different things that the kids might need throughout their time at the camp. And so I think it's really important to not only have the funding, but have those partnerships in order to allow Sprouting Science to continue growing. My hope is that they not only continue to garden, but they also take all of the things they learned and relationships that they've built and continue to foster them. I hope that they will also encourage their family and friends to participate in gardening, but not only that they will feel inclined to come back to the community spaces that we've used. We try to make it a point that the community centers that we use are always there for them, and they're always going to be there for the community. And since they are a part of that community, I want them to know that they are always welcome there.